So here we are, Conroe, Texas, Classic Truck Throwdown. It's the first annual show. It's a 98 and under, truck only show. Got a little bit of everything. Got it from OBSs to C10s to F100s. Weather's hot, so are the trucks.
If I'm just a mistake, why do you come back to me? Every step that you take echoes through. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me You got too close and ran away. You close your eyes, but there's so much to say. I see your red hand take away, but I won't leave as long as I'm still breathing.
So look, Classic Truck Throwdown this year has not disappointed with bringing the classic trucks out, right? Like, they brought out definitely some rare pieces. This is one of them behind me. What I have behind me, a lot of you new mini truckers might not even know what this is, man. What I have behind me is a Ford Courier, way before the Danger Rangers. I love these little trucks, man. They look a lot like their big brother, the F100s, for sure, but in a small package. It's got what every good mini truck needs on it. A set of billets. She's laid low to the ground. I really like the inside of the bed on this truck too. They went with the slats and some wood, but they kind of whitewashed the wood to make it match the white on the truck. It's super clean. It's the Ford Courier laid out on a set of billets. I just think it's a really clean classic truck, man. Now, of all the cool stuff we have seen at Classic Truck Throwdown. This one here, this one just caught my eye. And this is what I call a deep dish baby moon billet. Yeah, so all of the C10s here, this one caught my eye. I couldn't even tell what kind of wheel this was. I mean, look at that lip. I don't see a lot of GMCs. I love GMCs over Chevys, whether it's a OBS, C10, whatever. I'm a GMC fan. I love the grills and everything. You don't see a lot of GMCs in the 68 to 72 body style, but this is one. I love this truck. The color's right. The door graphics are amazing. Sure. Sure. I know you love this. Go ahead, he can edit it out. Interior, man, I love it. It's got kind of a newer style seat in it, but the leather makes it look old. The rest of it looks pretty factory. Got leather on the dash to match the seats. I love the way he pulled it together, man. It's just a beautiful truck. Oh yeah, we got our beautiful speed holes. And of course, what else do you do with an old truck? You gotta LS slop it. I'm glad that he took the time and effort to cover up the injectors and everything about this motor that makes it look new and try to make it not necessarily old, but fit the truck. Like I say, bro, look at that beautiful GMC grill. I mean, sorry Chevy guys, GMCs just look better, bro. Now this is something you definitely don't see every day. Behind me is a truck that was built in '91. This thing only has 287 miles on it. This is the truck you would get in '91 if you would buy it. This is it. It's got the factory plastic still on the seat. Can't even put a dollar amount on this truck. Like, this is one of those trucks that's worth what somebody's willing to pay for it. What other OBS do you know that's only got 200, almost 300 miles on it? Original miles. And look guys, I want to show y'all something. This isn't just random plastic, okay? Look, this is the plastic that came on this truck. This truck is beautiful, man. I don't know if I could cut this truck. I'd still cut it up. I mean, all these custom trucks out here, laid out body. I mean, come on, it's a brand new truck. We're over here with the man, the myth.
Hey, let's back him up just a little.
The legend, Mr. Tony from Eclectic Art Photography. Setting up another F100 takeover shot. F100 takes over Classic Truck Throwdown. Beautiful shot, beautiful spot.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever. I can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I can push it back down if I have to. If you want me to, 'cause we can run. And we can run. The stars they fall all for you. So tell me now, what's left to